Hi there, my name is Stefano. I'm the creator and designer of the TRENDMAESTRO indicator. It's an indicator I use usually every day in my trading, and this indicator uh, help, helps me to analyze and to make trading on several assets without the use of any other indicator, because inside this indicator I have objective information of data like volumes, volatility, and momentum. I don't use indicators of volatility, momentum, and volume to acquire the equations that creates this indicator. I use data numbers that I take and that they are not inside the code of the indicator. So the code is totally uncrackable, cannot be cracked. So this indicator, the use of this indicator is an indicator of trend. The main definition is a trend indicator, so TRENDMAESTRO. The signal for entry in trade is very simple. I must wait for the first color candle, either green for longer trade or red for a short trade, after a series of non-colored candles. So the first candle, green color, is an option to enter a long trade. I usually put the stop not exactly at the minimum, a little bit below the minimum to avoid retests, and then I go long, and I close usually the short when I see white bars or at my target. There is not exactly an indication where to close the bars. The indication is until the bars are colored, just keep the trade going and never go against. Then when I have a first red bar is a signal which I have the option to enter a short trade. Usually if the candle is too long, I put the conditional order, the limit sell at 50% retracement, because when it's too long the bar, I usually don't enter at the lowest price. Then I have a short trade and I let it go until the bars are red or until they don't become white or green. Another example can be perhaps, let's see, this example are in the live market. I'm not taking old graphs. These are very live market, and are the trades I'm making. Perhaps here I have a first red bar here, so a signal to go short. I have my trade. I can close whenever I want. Perhaps when I see a white bar, I still have a profit. Then I have a green bar, first signal to enter long. I can enter or not. This is an option. I can even wait. If the bars are too small, usually there is not much momentum. I can wait a higher bar, longer bar to enter long and follow my long until I want, until I see a white bar, which means that the momentum is terminating, is exhausting, or until I reach my target, maybe my number of pips for this trade. Then I have white bars, no trade on white bars. Then I have red bar, and here is a short trade which I have the option to take or not. It depends. It depends either if it is in my trading plan, either if it's a trade I'm looking for, TRENDMAESTRO. If the trend is and the initial signal the initial of a trend, it never mistakes. It will never draw a red bar when the trend is long. It will never draw a green bar when the trend is short, because there is too much push in momentum, volume, volatility in this direction that will help me not to ever take a contrarian trade, which are the most dangerous trade to take. Here I have another signal, arrow. The arrows, I keep arrows only on the last 50 bars. So the arrows are the only things that get redesigned, or better, do not appear before. But the bars never get redesigned, and the bar is always gray until it is closed. When it is closed, it takes the colors. Depending if it has momentum long, it will take a green color. If it has momentum short, it will take a red color. If it has not a majority of a definite majority of momentum, it will take a white or gray color, which means not much indication, not much volume, not much volatility. Here I have entry, I have second chance entry also, and I can go long until I want. Then I have white bars, then I have an entry short. I can close as soon as I have the profit, wait for a long time. I can use it on any asset that has a trend. TRENDMAESTRO will work, and also on any time frame. I usually like to use 1 hour time frame on Forex, but you can use it on lesser, on higher, and the higher you go, the more trustable, of course. Any signal, higher time frame, any signal is more trustable. Regarding, so we cleared out what is the entry of signal, is the first green bar or first red bar after non-color bar. But the white and gray bars are not exactly a nihil de facto signal. Actually, they are very important because sometimes they signal a ending of momentum, ending of an action, ending of a trend. Let's see. Perhaps here I have a green color trend, so it's long. I can go, I can close my trade. Then I have a lower, higher high, but non-color. This signifies the probably ending of long momentum. Usually, a higher high non-color is a exhaustion of momentum, and in fact, then starts the short. This also can be taken as a signal of trade, and it is the first signal of trade in any strategy, in any known strategy, for a probable inversion, a probable possible reversal trade. I can put the stop a bit high of the maximum. As soon as I have a reversal of price, I can go short and I have a great trade. Also here, I have a retest with non-colors candles. It can be taken as a exhaustion of short trade, and I can enter long on a non-color bar or wait for the green bar. Again, here I have a non-color bar. In this momentum, perhaps I am on the top of the prices with a non-color bar. It could be the beginning, actually you already paid, it could be the beginning of a short trend. Okay, short also have a short bar, retest with a white bar above the red bar means exhaustion. Okay, it could be continuous of a red of a sell action. Okay, let's go for another forex pair, perhaps Australian US. Here we have first red bar, I have my short. First green bar I can take here, or either wait for a longer bar. I have my long trade. First red bar I can choose if I want to go short or not. This will not pay much, okay, it can happen. Then I have exhaustion bar, white bar at the lowest. I can go long here or wait for the green bar. Arrows always take only the two latter bars, so I'll not find arrows before, but I have always arrows in the most recent bars. Okay, first entry, second entry, again third entry, all paid, and then I have a short here, a good short which is still going, and this is very useful. The price is high, yes, the price is high, correct, but the question is how many trade it will help me to take the right direction of the trend, because it never misses a trend. And secondly, how many trade it with TRENDMAESTRO will help me not to take as an inversion of trend, because TRENDMAESTRO tell me until the bars are green, never think to a short. Until you see red bars, never think too long, to take a long reverse. Wait for white or green bars. The better is to wait for color bars, but it will never color a red bar in the middle of a trend. It will never color a green bar in the middle of a short trend. It never misses. Okay, very difficult. It will give a fake like this one. This is not a fake signal. because TRENDMAESTRO is not based on patterns or on a signal that are subjective, so everyone can interpret in a different way. TRENDMAESTRO is made by numbers, data, which are volatility, momentum, and volumes, in an equation that I created and I adjusted during the years, and I never changed it since a few years now. So it's always the same. I can send updates, but updates will be always for graphical outlook, not for the change of the equation. Okay, this is a fake, but I always put a short stop loss. When I have a signal, a first bar, I don't have to put the short much distant from the minimum or the maximum. It's very close, because either it pays or it's a fake like this, and I take a short, a little stop. Yes, it can happen. It's not 100% sure signal. Let's see another graph. Okay, this is also not good, but sterling Canadian, I have a first red bar here. Okay, it will pay, not much. Then I have first green bar here. I can choose not to go because momentum is not too much. I wait. I have a little fake here, but it's an exhaustion. Green bar here. This I should follow because it's a long bar. It's a good power bar. It will pay. Then continue. Second chance entry with this arrow. Another chance entry here. Another chance entry here. And then we go to the short. Very well signaled. Also, I have a fake maximum here, a new max with not color bar, with anticipate a short signal. So TRENDMAESTRO helped me. The pluses of TRENDMAESTRO are two. It will never make me miss a good trend. Okay, I can decide not to take it, but TRENDMAESTRO, it will never miss to signal a good trend. The second plus is it will never make me a red bar when the trend is green or a green bar when the trend is red. So it will avoid 99% of reversal guess trades, which usually are one of the most important reasons why trades take losses. Okay, you can download TRENDMAESTRO from here and test in the strategy tester, or acquire a license to use it live on your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I use it every day live in my live sessions, and I think I am a quite successful trader thanks to TRENDMAESTRO, which helped me to find best trade looking just at simple indicator without making too much information, without putting too much indicators on my graphic, which make things really difficult. I am a trader since the 90s. I am profitable, I'm professional since 2001. TRENDMAESTRO is just few years I'm using it, but will never stop using that. And if you want, you can do that too. That's all. Have good day trading. Bye bye.